and our spirits. And then somehow you, by your spirit, will knit us together with the bonds of love, bless our community, restore our village, and we pray in everything you get the glory.
Father does not have to be any great personality, does not have to have a lot of money, does not have to have a lot of titles and all of that, but there's no better title to have than the title of Father. And we're trying to help with the reconnection. And that's what this afternoon means to us. That's what the day has meant. And we are encouraging fathers to go to church Sunday, take their children. You know, if you don't have any connection with anything, your life is just like an empty shell. And we want to try and prevent that.
I'm Coach Charles Rice, the head coach of the Eagles Youth Football Program.
What is your best advice for today's fathers?
Even if you don't have a child, find a child to mentor, to uplift, even if it's not your own. It could be a nephew, a cousin, a friend, anyone on the street, because that's what I do. I'm a youth football coach, and I service over 100 kids in my community.
Rita Logan, Deputy District Director for Congressman Danny Davis. It's very important for women to get involved from the standpoint that from the foundation of our Creator, man was there to help shepherd, lead, guide, and organize. And so we need to continuously come back to reinforce that very foundation, that if we support our men in our community, if we uplift them, if we help change the myths about men, then we can have a greater, stronger, successful community.
How important is it for young men to get involved in events like this?
I think it's very important because later on in life, if a young person decides to have a child, like they will know like the right things to do.
This is Pastor Marshall Hatch. This is a powerful event. We've had it over several years here at Malcolm X College, and really it lifts up the importance of fatherhood. Fatherhood is more important now than ever. One of the sad statistics is not only over 80% of the children now living without a father in the home in our communities, but also less than 2% of the public school teachers are male in the elementary schools. And so you have males, young males starving for a strong male presence. And so this conference helps men to come together, and organizations to come together to see how we can restore the powerful image of fatherhood in the community. And this is rolling out.